We love doing things fast. We love finding shortcuts. So one of the frequent questions that I've been hearing a lot recently is that how can I learn something faster? Especially from the people that who come into industry, the digital industry recently, and when I go to the classes from the students, something that they always curious about, like, is it a way that they could learn things fast? In order to get progress in their career, their life, and get the benefit faster. So this has been a common question, and when I was thinking about this, something I felt like this actually learning fast even personally has helped me a lot to become who I am today. And I just wanted to express few pointers on that from my personal experience, what actually helped me to learn things faster, especially in digital industry, and how that could be helpful for you also as a person. So the first thing is that something I actually found very interesting, that whenever I made notes, at least by using a pen and paper, it actually helped me to remember things much more than me looking at the screen or trying to type or get like a more digital note. I don't know how it's about you, but for me though, personally, I have tried typing, I have tried different note taking apps, I've tried writing on iPad, all that, but listening to someone and taking notes using a pen and paper and doing it from my own words actually helped me to remember things and memorize and learn much faster than me using in a different way. So there are a few studies about this also, which I'm going to include the link below so that you can read a bit more about this. But something that personally I found very useful is definitely like taking notes using a pen and paper, which seems to be discussed and analyzed also in various researches. So it might help you also. So maybe like try next time, if you're not someone who's taking notes using a pen and paper, maybe give it a try next time, which might help you to learn things a bit faster also. There's a one interesting article I came across that talks about a mechanism called Cornell method that describes about taking notes more effectively. And I have the link on the below. I think that's one article that you might be interested in reading to understand how could use notes to learn faster, and what kind of mechanism tactics that could actually help you to improve your note taking capabilities as well. So that's the first thing. So the second thing, which something that I practice all the time, is like trying out what you learn with different mechanisms. So the major way I do this is by actually teaching someone else. So one reason that I'm on lecturing field, why I use most of my free time on these lectures and everything, it always helped me to teach someone else about what I know, which definitely improve and ensure my memory on the subject that I'm teaching. That also gives me the opportunity to update my knowledge. For example, if I'm teaching you about digital marketing or analytics or any related subject, one, I need to know, or I need to have a memory about the subject in and out to teach you. But in return also, like, I can't be teaching the same thing over and over again, right? Especially on a field like digital, it's very updating. The new knowledge is coming out every day, so I need to be prepare myself, I need to update. So in a way, while I'm teaching, I'm actually learning fast also about the subject I'm teaching. So this has been definitely one aspect that has helped me to learn fast, especially in this industry, for sure. Third thing is something that all of you know very well, but usually something that ignored among most of us. So when you're studying continuously, and when you want to learn something faster, something that you really need to do is like, one, stay hydrated, and the second is get enough sleep and rest. So when I was a kid, we had this misconception about us, like before exams and before important educational event, that we need to study till the morning, we need to do like overnight. And if you are someone who went to local universities or the schools, you would know this fact very well, that we try to learn throughout the night thinking that everything goes into our brain, but it doesn't. For me now, being an educator for a few years and learning simultaneously stuff together while doing a job, something I realized is like, if I want something that goes into my brain, and if I need to memorize and learn something as a skill, the amount of the rest I take in between is really important. So this is also been proven by research, which I have included the link below, which you should read, and then you'll understand that what kind of important that having enough sleep, nap, and also being hydrated is relevant to study for sure.